Pete, come on.
We're on a business trip, but now we're here at the mountains of Daopeng, Shenzhen. Right? It is Daopeng?
Daopeng.
Daopeng? Daopeng?
See the
The place? Is it Daopeng?
The place name is Baishawan.
Baishawan?
Yeah, Baishawan.
Baishawan.
Yeah, Baishawan Park.
Ba-
Over Baguang.
Okay.
Beltec
Okay.
Valley. Yes.
Nice, oh.
This place is very nice, huh?
Yeah, welcome.
Well,
All of you come. Come.
Only the Philippines come, huh? So Philippines can go here, huh?
Yeah.
Philippines, come to
come.
Shenzhen, huh?
Come to Shenzhen. Yeah, you will love it.
Oh my God.
Come and stay.
Okay, my boss in Shenzhen, she's the one who brings me here many times. Huh?
So what?
So for tonight, we're going to stay at the beach area.
Yeah.
So I think she wants us to go
Stay here.
to stay
Yeah.
here
No,
until
no going back to.
no going back to
Other place.
Philippines, huh? To other place.
other
Just stay
place.
here.
Not going back to. Yeah, just stay here. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You're going to adapt us here? I can bring Moira here.
Yeah. You can. We need you.
Okay, we will go here, ha? Moira, Tita Sunny, Auntie Sunny wants us to stay here in Shenzhen.
Yeah. I have place for you, right?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have enough place for you.
Okay, that's
you
good.
see, enough place. You
Okay,
can live.
you can hire me as your sales, and I can talk to your other customer abroad.
You can hear me. Okay.
Okay, I can help you here,
Yeah.
huh?
It's no
Okay,
problem.
bye, my dear JTSI. I will stay here for good.
Really?
Oh my God. How about you, Kay? You go back to Philippines.
Yeah,
Kay.
I will. I'll go back to the Philippines. I love Philippines.
Okay. Bye for now, huh? Bye for now.
Okay, we'll come again later. Bye.
Bye.